Hi, in this video I am going to explain about how teachers can enter the mark for the students from AMS ERP app login. First of all, you need to log into the portal. For that, just enter the school code here and need to enter the username and password. Basically, the username and password is the registered mobile number. After entering the credential, just click on to the login option. So this is our app login, and on the lower side we have the ERP login option. We need to just click on to this ERP login option and it will redirect to the web browser of ERP. And here we have one pop-up, and if the teachers needs to change the password, they can change here. Otherwise, they can directly go to the academic module by clicking the hamburger icon on the top right side. Here we have the academic module. Under the academic, we have the exam. Under exam, we have GPA as well as CCE option. GPA is for the student from the class 11th and 12th, and CCE is for the students from the class 1st to 10th. For the time being, I am going with the CCE. Under the CCE, we have CCE exam, and under the CCE exam, we have CCE scholastic mark list and CCE co-scholastic mark list. So I'm going with the scholastic mark list option, and here we supposed to enter the mark. For that, just select the class, batch, term, assessment name, exam name, and the subject. So here we will get all the list of students, and here we supposed to enter the mark. I'm giving 17, 15. And apart from the mark, we can enter absent as A, B, and medical leave as M, L. And after entering all the mark, just below we have the save option, and just save it. And we can check the enter mark here under mark list. Go to mark list and select the course, batch, term, assessment name, exam name, and the subject. Then we will get the total list of students with their mark. Go back to the ERP login. And in the same way, we can enter mark for co-scholastic mark list as well. And if the teacher is the class teacher of any particular class, then they have the privilege to view the broadsheet of the students. For that, just click on to the broadsheet, select the course, batch, term, assessment name, exam name, and click on to the view report option. Then we will get the list of students with their individual subject wise mark and the total mark. And also the teacher have the privilege to export Excel from here and take the print from here. This is all about enter mark as well as generate report card from the ERP app login. Thank you.